Today, we're talking about what is Java and the history of Java. Java is a general purpose of computer programming language that concurrent, object-oriented, and class-based. And today, we talk about the history naman. James Gosling was the founder of the Java. And June 1991, they started to develop the Java project. Less than 30 persons who worked and developed the Java. And the group of people who worked and made it they called was the Green Team. Green Team. And then Java was owned by the Sun Microsystem, and the Java initially called Oak because of there's an oak tree stood outside of James Gosling office, and later on the project went by the name of Green Project, and finally they name it again into Java because from the Java coffee, and Java quickly became popular. And recently, they released their newest version of Java, the Java SE.80 last March 18, 2014. And according to James Gosling, there's a 5 goals. There are 5 primary goals in creating in the creation of Java. First, it must be simple, object-oriented, and familiar. Number 2, robust and secure. Number 3, it must be architecture and portable. Number 4, it must be executed with high performance. And number 5, last, it must be interpreted and treated and dynamic.
So, we are discussing about the other components of Java and the applications of Java. So, we're discussing, first I will introduce to you the NetBeans IDE. So, NetBeans IDE, it simplifies the development of web, enterprise desktop, and mobile application that use the Java and HTML5 platform. So, NetBeans IDE is develop the applications in Java and in mobile phones. It introduced the new and new applications about in Java. So, and the NetBeans IDE also offers support for the development of PHP and C++ applications. So, in Java, it can help it helps the C++, yeah, then C++ application, so that we can able to easy to work and easy to do what are the what we are going to do with the C++ application. So next is GUI. So GUI is short for Graphical User Interface. So so GU, GUI allows the use of icons and other visual indicators to interpret with electronic devices rather than using audio text via the command line. So the GUI is the GUI applications are it easy to use because rather than we use the text is it easy to understand because it so it easy to use because it uses the graphics, pictures, icons. So we are student in student IT, we can easily to use because and we easy to understand uh, the applications or other components of Java because of graphical and it interprets the words that we cannot understand easily. Then GUI was first developed at Xerox PRC by Alan K. Douglas Engelbert and a group of other researchers in 1981. So GUI was developed of the researchers since 1981. So these researchers introduced the Xerox PRC and then they developed this. Then later Apple introduced the Lisa computer, the first commercially available computer on January 19, 1983. So after the Xerox PRC introduced in the world, the next they introduced is computer Lisa computer. So Lisa computer was introduced on January 19, 1983. And this is the first computer that
Ilaw, flash.
they use next. So the components of Java and the other part or the parts of Java. So first the import. So I introduce you the other parts of Java of using Java application. So first, so after we so before we going to use the application Java, we first I first introduced to you the parts of Java. So first of all, the first one is the import or imports the Java. Imports the JOption pane class from JavaX that's Swing package. So we cannot success the Java applications when we cannot introduce it with import. So import the option pane. So import. So
here is the other versions of Java, introduced in 1996 for the Solaris, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Java was initially released as the Java Development Kit 1.0, introduced in 1998, version 1.2 as a quick firmware versions. It was the start of a new beginning for Java. Java 1.3 was released in May 8, 2000. The most notable changes were Hotspot was first released in April 1999. Number 2, Java Naming and Directory Interface, or JNDI. Number 3, Java Platform Debugging Architecture, or JPDA. Java 1.4 is released in February 6, 2002. Java 1.4 has improved programmer productivity by expanding language features. Tiger version 1.5.0 Java Series 6 5 was released in September 2004. Version 1.6.0 Java SE6 was released in December 11, 2004. Dolphin version 1.7.0 Java Series 7 was released in July 28, 2011.
Okay. Hi, I'm Algel Paglinawan of CBSU Silang, and I'm making a video tutorial of NetBeans IDE, JavaScript, the parts of NetBeans IDE. First, this is the inspector. It provides a graphical representation, and the number 2 is the navigator. It display what you are working. Here, you can see here what you are working. There. And this is the designer. This is the designer where you can code your program. Or this is a working area. It usually looks like encode edition area, but it's also an user interface visual compositor. Here, the working area. And in this side, this is the status area. It basically is a status bar and a bottom of NetBeans Windows. It shows you the insert overwriting status, cursor, coordinates, upgrading status, and some other info. And in this side of NetBeans, you can see a quick launch bar. Few of the most common use action are available through quick launcher bar icons. It is located between main menu and other working areas. It is integrated by smaller and thematic quick launch bars called toolbars. And there you can see the search tool. This is a NetBeans platform widget, and you can find it at the top right corner of the NetBeans window. That's all. And thanks for watching my short video tutorial. Thanks. Bye.